So we did our prep, tires are ready. I like them well done, you know, how they have to be not too crisp, not too soft, just at the right temperature.
Ну что ж ты делаешь-то, ёбаный?
What do you want to know? We're here in Calmont. All it was about sliding the car. I slide the car, transition. It's the most important part. You have the handbrake. You got to use it a little bit. You have to accelerate sometimes, as much as you can. The brake, I don't know what that is, honestly. Clutch, I play with the clutch, but still not there. I don't want to burn it. Driving this beast, you would think it's difficult, but actually, it's fucking fun. One day, a great friend of mine gave me my childhood dream car, R34 Skyline, in my hands, right-hand drive. Started drifting that in a parking lot legally because it was an event. And it was the first time I was behind the wheel, sliding a car on an 8-figure legally without being, you know, secretive about it. And that day, I felt at home. Nothing made me feel the same way. All I wanted to do was drift, drift, drift. When I'm behind the wheel of a car and I'm doing that, I'm just at home. And it doesn't matter if I'm drifting or going fast, it's about being behind the wheel of a car. So afterwards, all I needed to do is set up myself. So in 2016, I decided to shoot it. I got myself an S14 Nissan, like everybody else. It's a fun car, but everybody has it. When I moved to Dubai, what did I do? I got myself some sponsors, some friends, a good entourage, and with them, we built this one. This beast, this Camaro. This baby right there gave me a couple of podiums in Dubai, gave me some engine block misplacements, you know, with some holes inside. I exploded it, but in the end, it never let me down. Yes, 3 years has been a long wait to make this car go back into the shape that it is today, and it's still rough. Trust me, it's a real monster. It shows that it has lived through something. So right now we're here in France, 2020. COVID is kind of all over the place, but we don't care about it. We're here, we want to enjoy our time, we want to drift, we are car freaks, and we want to share this with you.
He
This-
crashed.
Yeah,
He crashed.
I crashed. This guy, I didn't know he could work on cars, but he's doing it.
He, like,
And
he like didn't pull the handbrake, and then he went like.